Pula ka ba?
Sa CCTV, marami talaga akong questions and although nais ko naman ipaliwanag na ako, pabor ako sa CCTV sa aking pananaw, malaking maitutulong nito. But we have to remember that it is a short-term solution to a long-term problem. So we have to think of what we are going to do after. Pangalawa, ang pinakamalaking sa palagay ko magiging challenge dito sa pag-implement nitong bagong CCT program, ay yung 4Ps kung tawagin ngayon, ay yung biglang pagpalaki from 10-something billion last year to 21 billion. Ang talagang tinitignan ko kung talagang may kakayahan yung sistema natin, yung ating mga staff, na i-implement ng kalaki-laki, na biglang lumaki pa ng 100%. And that is why, hanggat maaari, ay sinasama ko yung mga LGU, sinasama ko lahat ng mga iba't ibang agency, lalo na sa local level. Dahil sa aking pananaw, hindi kakayahin ng DSWD kung wala silang madaming tulong na manggagaling sa LGUs at saka sa iba't ibang agency. Kaya't siguro, ang aking magiging suggestion ay bawasan yung increase. Huwag tayo masyadong maging ambisyoso. Tama naman ng DSWD dahil gusto nilang makatulong ng marami. Pero kung masasayang lamang ang pondo at halimbawa hindi magagamit, di bakit pa natin pipilitin? Gawin na lang natin, patibayin natin ang sistema para hanggat maaari, pinakamarami na matulungan natin, tulungan natin. Pero an increase of 100% sa aking palagay is a little too much. And that if we are going to increase, if we believe in the program, and if we are going to increase, perhaps we should be less ambitious and try to be realistic about what we can and cannot achieve. Because also there is the issue of, halimbawa, hindi nagamit lahat ng 21 billion. Merong savings, halimbawa. Anong mangyayari dun sa savings? Babalik yun sa general sa national government. Saan gagamitin yun? Does that go into unprogrammed, hindi pa namin napag-usapan yun, is that go to unprogrammed appropriations, or does it become part of the social fund of the president, or what does it do? Pero kahit saan man dadalhin ang savings na yun, ibig sabihin hindi nagamit yung pera kung saan siya inappropriate. What would be acceptable to me would be a 30% increase in the program. I think that can be absorbed. That kaya ng sistema natin.
70% yung cut?
Ibig sabihin 30% increase from 10 billion. So I mean 30% increase. So magiging mga 13, 14 billion. Palagay ko sa aking pag-aaral kaya ng sistema natin yon. Pero kung ganun kalaki yung biglang-bigla, baka hindi kakayanin at magkakaroon ng wastage, magkakaroon ng abuse, magkakaroon ng hindi nga magagamit yung pondo at mapupunta yung pondo sa ibang bagay na hindi naman inappropriate kasi ang appropriation ay para sa CCT. Kung hindi magagamit sa CCT, saan dadalhin yung perang yun? And I predict kung talagang may pipilit yung 21 billion that it will be too large. It will be subject to abuse, it will be subject to wastage and inefficiency. And at the same time, at the end of the year, of the fiscal year, what do we do with the funds that have not been used? And those funds will then be used for whatever it is they will be used. It will not be used for the purposes for which they were appropriated.